Hi friends, today we will complete page 16, 17, and 18 in your math workbook. And you will need a pencil and open up your math workbook and get ready to go. If any time Mrs. Shimmy is going too fast, just hit the pause button. So, math journal, look at the picture. That ball stands for 1 unit. Okay, so here I've got 2 apples and 2 oranges, and they are what we call the same as. The muffin is heavier than the bread. The milk carton is heavier than the paper cup, and the slice of watermelon is the same as the marbles. So let me take a look here. The blank are as heavy as the blank. So if it looks right here, the apples are as heavy as the oranges because they're the same. So, oops, sorry. I'll put apples and oranges there. The blank is heavier than the blank. Well, it looks like the bread is heavier than the muffin. Number 3, the blank is lighter than the blank. Well, the empty paper cup is lighter than the milk carton. So I'm going to write empty paper cup is lighter than the carton of milk. And number 4, the slice of watermelon is blank units. So here's a slice of watermelon. See how many units it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 units. Okay, if you're ready to go on, we'll go on to the next page. If not, hit the pause button. So, page 17, put on your thinking cap. Challenging practice. Number 1, box A has a weight of 6 beads. All right, so let's put the 6 beads in A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Box B is 2 beads heavier than box A. So it's 2 beads heavier. So if this is 6, I would need 2 more beads. So I would go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is 6 and this is 8 because 8 is 2 more than 6. Look at the pictures, then answer the questions. It looks like I have a piece of paper here and a block over here. Piece of paper here and coins. Which is heavier, a block or a coin? Well, let's see how many blocks are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So it takes 13 blocks to hold up this paper or book. Maybe it's a book. I'm not sure what it is. And over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 coins to hold up the book. Well, the coins must be heavier. Because if we had 13 coins here, this would be down and this would be up. Then at the bottom, it says to write bananas or watermelon in the blank. The blank are heavier than the blank. If we look over here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 oranges and an apple. And here we have 5 oranges and 1 apple. So the banana must be heavier because we needed more oranges over here than here to balance. So the bananas are heavier than the watermelon. Okay, when you're ready to go on. If you're not ready, just hit the pause button. So page 18, we have some plants. And it says, look at the plants on the different scales and arrange the plants in order of their weight from the heaviest to the lightest. Well, let's look at the scales here. We know the sunflower is heavier than the cactus. The sunflower is heavier than the rose. And the rose is heavier than the cactus. So we know that the heaviest thing here, because the sunflower, if you look here, is heavier than both the cactus and the rose. So we're going to start with sunflower. Okay, now we have to decide which is heavier, the cactus or the rose. Now, if we look right here, the rose. Oh, I'm not sure why that moved to rose. And then cactus. Okay. So that brings us all the way through page 18. So take a picture to show your work on Seesaw today. Thank you.